Hey guys, CodeKid here, and today I'm back with another video. So, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a pretty simple Flappy Bird game like that, with a score for when you pass, and then when you die, it's a game over screen. So, we're going to need to go onto a new Scratch project, create, and once it's created, we are in the editor. We're just going to call it maybe Flappy or something. You can call it what you like. So I basically recommend a couple of sprites. So first of all is a bird. The parrot has quite a cool animation for that. And also the cat flying is pretty simple. So we're going to go with the cat just because it's thinner and it's a bit more, Let's put him a bit smaller. Drag him over to where we want him. So probably 0. We'll do, minus 140. That's looking about good. So, when the green flag clicked, forever, if, so I'm going to want two options. So, if the mouse is down or if the space key is pressed. So, we're going to need an OR statement here. And if else. It's important we have the else because that's what will make him go down. So, if the space key is pressed, you want to change the Y by 10. Let's just start with that. And also we're going to want to change the costume, the cat flying B. And else we're going to want to change the Y by minus 5 and switch costume to cat flying A. So here we are. If we start, yeah, of course we need our go to here. Go to here, and there we go. That's our simple, very, very simple Flappy engine, let's call it. That's like the base of our game. He's also going to need, obviously, an obstacle to go into. So I have got my backpack. If I can find it, there it is. I've already got this sprite, but I'll delete all the code in it. So we'll go through that when we're ready. So here's mine. You can pause the video now if you like and quickly make a simple, like rectangle sort of pipe thing. We're just going to call it pipe for now. Right, so once you're back, we're going to need to forever if touching the cat, you're going to need it to first for now just stop the game, but we can make another backdrop now called the game over screen. So if we quickly do this, I always like to do it in pixel as it looks more like retro, and I'll just put it black for now. Or actually, I'll do it red, seeing as it's game over. Can make this red. Right, that's looking pretty good. We're also going to want, when the game starts, switch the backdrop to the first backdrop. So switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So there we go. And then with touching, we can now switch backdrop to backdrop 2 and then just stop all. You also need when backdrop switches to backdrop 2 for him to hide. There you go. So now how do you make this move? So I've in my first thing, I have the measurements for this, so where it goes to, just so I can have a rough idea. So it's going to go to 180 and minus 51. So when green flag clicked, forever, go to minus, well, go to 118 minus 51. There you go. So when that goes, it'll go to there. Can maybe make it 190. Yeah, okay, 190 minus 51. Glide. We'll do 2 seconds to the X position. Well, for the Y position, because we want the Y to stay the same, because that's the height. And the X position I've written on here to minus 250, so that I know minus 250. Let's see how the game runs. There we go. We also need this when the backdrop switches to backdrop 1. We need it to hide. So, oh, backdrop 2. Oh, of course, we need it to show on the start. Always forget that. And show here, so then we have our game. That was made very quick, probably under 10 minutes. And if, just because I haven't gone through it, we're going to make a variable. We're going to call it score. So our score will be when he passes this, the score will go up by 1. So we need a, obviously when flag clicked, forever. If, where is it? X position is smaller than, so where's the cat? Minus, so we're going to go for minus 160. Not minus 60, minus 160. Just minus 20 more. So we need our if. And then we're going to want it to change score by 1. But when it gets there, there's still a little bit more. So we're going to want it to wait 1 second. So if this works, right, see our score's changed there. So going to want to set the score to 0 when the flag is clicked. You can add some sounds, add some backdrops maybe, but for now I'm going to do sounds. A new sound, just do collect or coin. They're the two best ones for this. I go for coin because it's more 8-bit. So we're going to go to sound, start sound, coin. And there you have it. That is how to make a Flappy Bird game on Scratch.